5-minute workouts before sleep to slim down your legs. Exercise daily isn't the most exciting thing in the world, but it does make people seem smart and energetic, and it is also beneficial to their health. It helps to get rid of fat deposits on the knees and hips, which can form even in slim people. We're concentrating on your front, back and inner thighs in this video. Say your last goodbyes to those thunder thighs. This workout takes approximately 5 minutes and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Now, before we go any further, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any updates. Number 1. Toning the front of the thighs. Let's begin over the front of your thighs. To perform this exercise, lie on your back with your arms straight, raise your legs to form a 90-degree angle with your body, and point your toes. In this posture, do not bend your knees. They should be just straight as possible. Now, one at a time, bend and straighten your knees. Don't bend your knees towards you, since your hips shouldn't move at all. Let me tell you that you have to maintain a 90-degree angle at the hips. Perform this exercise 5 times with each leg. This workout strengthens your quadriceps, knees and abdomen all at the same time. Also, make sure to keep your knees together and your leg muscles tight. Number 2. Sculpturing the back of your legs. The activity we're going to complete today is divided into 2 sections. The first section is similar to the last exercise. Only your toes will be pointed. So begin by resting on your back with your legs lifted and your toes pulled towards your body. Keep your knees together and flex them one at a time, remembering that your toes must be brought towards your body and your knees should connect your glutes each time you flex your leg. It is critical to repeat this 10 times for each leg. This difficult workout tones the front and back of the thighs, as well as the knees and abs. Now comes the second part. The starting position is lying on your back with your legs lifted, but this time leave your knees slightly bent. Swing your legs towards you by elevating your glutes off the floor and maintaining the leg muscles engaged. You need to repeat this process 20 times. If you're experiencing hamstring stiffness and a faint burning sensation, you're doing everything correctly, which indicates that the workout is performing as it should. No pain, no gain. Number 3. Toning the inner part of the thighs. Finally, line your back with your legs lifted. For this, now crossing your right ankle over your left one. Both legs should be stiff and squeezed against each other. Return to the starting posture by bending your legs out to the sides. Do this 10 times with your right leg over your left leg and 10 times with your left leg over your right leg. This workout is fantastic for training and toning your outer thighs, glutes and stomach. During the exercise, keep your legs flexed and pressed against each other. You should feel a lot of pressure in your legs to know you're working the muscles to do it. Number 4. Banded walk. This exercise targets the glutes and thighs. This can also help with balance and stability. Choose a broad workout band that provides enough resistance to test your lower body while being light enough to do 10 repetitions in each direction. Wrap the workout band over your ankles, slightly bend your knees, and expand your stance. Walk to the side without allowing your feet to come into contact. Take 10 steps forward, then 10 steps back to your beginning point. There are also weighted step-ups. Hold a dumbbell in each hand while standing with your feet about hip width apart, around a knee-height bench or step. Step onto the bench with your right ankle and push up with your left ankle, keeping the dumbbells at your sides. Lower your left leg as you take a step back from the bench. Start with your right leg and work your way down to 10 to 15 sets. Then switch to repeat with your left leg. This will assist you in achieving perfect looking legs. It'll provide some very remarkable outcomes. Aside from the apparent benefits, one of the most significant advantages of this regular exercise program is that it may be quite beneficial to individuals who suffer from swelling legs and peripheral arterial disease. That's all for today's video, and thanks for watching it. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And while you're here, click to watch one of the 2 videos appearing on your screen right now. I will see you there. Take care and stay tuned.